I'm going to share my own testimony with some key things. The first was realization. And the realization came from the fact that you work every day, you do everything you're doing every day, but it's not geared towards one goal. And so the cautiousness came. What is it I'm doing every day that is geared towards a particular goal? And so that realization got me thinking and got me shaping my path. The next is the want. And so my wants brought me to Hilltop, where I learned of the HLI. And from the time I started attending the Hilltop, I've been attending every business service and learning about what I want to do. And then when I attended the HLI, the question of what I want became clearer after going through several courses. And when it became clear what I wanted to do, I was not like every other person living without a purpose anymore. I had a purpose and I started working toward that purpose. And there's something I had that was bigger than money. And that's the fact that I had trainers I could talk to anytime without a consultation fee. HLI became that purpose-driven area for me. And then I founded Olotu Square immediately after my HLI program in September 2016. It's one of the best tech hubs in town and the first of its kind in Port Harcourt. And after Olotu Square, 8 other hubs have come up in Port Harcourt. And then we've been able to get traffic of Google, Facebook, and so on right in Port Harcourt. So when you keep hearing the noise of tech communities growing, it started with a cautious decision. And you can also make that decision. Thank you, HLI. Thank you, Hilltop.